Hi children, today we can discuss exercise 9.1 15th question. I am reading the question. A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. So down tower, one straight highway is there. A man is standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree. So angle of depression they given 30 degree, which is approaching to the foot of the tower. The car is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. After 6 seconds, the car is moving towards the foot of the tower. It will move. So, by the angle of depression will change. It is 60 degree they given. Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. So, we can draw the diagram. So, first they given. It is a tower. A tower is there. From the tower, down a car. Down. That is the down. It is a road. First car position is here. After 6 seconds, the car position is here. Okay. From this point, that is we can take CD is height of the tower. From this point, that is man is seeing the car. The man height is not given. So, you don't want to consider man height. So, D is the point we can take. The man is sitting or standing. From this point, the angle of depression they given. Angle of depression representing line, we want to draw a horizontal line. So the man, the line of sight and horizontal line we want to draw. So he is a line, horizontal line here, yeah. So first angle of depression they given. So this angle of depression is given as, first angle of depression is given as 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. So this also 30 degree. Okay. Next car is moving from A to B towards the building, the top of the down tower. So next angle of depression they given. So from the point, next angle of depression they given us, this angle is given as 60 degree. So this also 60 degree. Why? Because these two lines are parallel. So these two are alternate angles and these two are alternate angles. If you are not representing this in the exam time, means the mark, the diagram is wrong put and no marks will give. So want to be represent the angle of depression. So here they given time, here to here 6 seconds they given. So 6 seconds we can represent, but they given it is a uniform speed. So we can take uniform speed is equal to x kilometer per hour. It's equal to x kilometer per hour. Okay. Here from A to B, the time they given us 6. 6 seconds they given. So from 6 seconds we know the distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into time is distance. So from A to B, AB means speed into time. So 6 into x, 6x we are getting. So 6s we can represent here. Next to B to C, how much time is question. That time we are taking from B to B, from B to C, time we can take it as, time is y we can take. Time y, same x is kilometer per hour. Then what will be BC? BC is equal to xy. So BC is xy. Within speed is x kilometer per hour. Time taken to B to C is y we are taken. So xy. So here next they given the next we want to find the x only we want to find. Okay. So here we can take the true right triangle because the tower is perpendicular to this one. So the two right angle triangle we can take. First right angle triangle. In right triangle, big triangle I am taking, right triangle ACD, angle DAC is equal to 60 degree because of alternate angle, and angle ACD is equal to 90 degree because it is right angle triangle. So according to 30 degree, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side CD by AC. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. CD we don't know, so leave it like that. CD, AC is AB plus BC. So 1 by root 3 is equal to CD by AB 6x we are taken plus XY. Okay. So we can write as cross multiplication time we will get 6x plus XY by root 3 is equal to CD. So from this x is common, x into 6 plus y by root 3 is equal to CD. So here two unknowns are there, so that we can put first equation. Next triangle we can take. It right triangle BCD according to 60 degree. This is opposite, this is adjacent side. So we can write it right triangle. In triangle BCD, angle DBC is equal to 60 degree. Angle DCB is equal to 90 degree. So tan, again tan we are taking, tan 60 is equal to opposite side is CD by adjacent side is BC. So tan 60 value is root 3. From the table we can write CD by BC is XY. So we can get root 3 XY. CD is equal to root 3 XY. So here second equation. From 1 and 2 equation you see, here CD is equal to root 3 XY. Here CD is equal to X plus 6Y by root 3. So from 1 and 2, first equation left side is X into 6 plus Y by root 3 is equal to, here CD is equal to what they given, root 3 XY. So here cross multiplication, x into 6 plus y is equal to root 3 into root 3 is 3xy. This x we can cancel. So 6 plus y is equal to y, 3y. So here 3y take in the right side, it becomes 6 is equal to 3y minus y is equal to 2y. So y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Y means what we have taken time? From B to C time is y. So how many seconds we got? 3 seconds. So within 3 seconds the car will reach the foot of the tower. Thank you.